Hey y'all, does polyester and natural fiber Procyon dyes play well together? Let's find out. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. As always, this garment has been soaked in a soda ash water solution for 20 minutes or more, spun out in the wash machine until damp, and because this is polyester and I know what's going to happen, I'm really not in too big of a concern as far as saying, hey, this is how I folded this to create this pattern, to create this design, because I know what's going to happen. So just basically showing you this is how I folded this piece, but this is not a tutorial, and when you see the outcome you'll know why. Okay, so here's this little shirt that I am not 100% convinced. It says 100% cotton combo. What does that mean? So I think the cotton is these little woven panels, and I think the rest of the shirt is a poly cotton blend. And so because I use natural fiber Procyon dyes, what will happen if I tie-dye with natural fiber Procyon dyes on a poly cotton blend? Let's find out, shall we? Let's do some fun hot colors. So let's do some hot pink. Let's do some dragon fruit. Let's do some lemon yellow. I do, not that I get stuck in a rut, but I do sometimes really like to use the same colors over and over and over and over. And let's use some power berry. Yeah, oh yeah, it's gonna be pretty. And so the way we got a crinkle up here at the top, and then we've done this, just a gathering, right? Not a real fan fold, just a gathering across. And so I'm going to set it up in stripes all the way up. So we'll start with our lightest color, which is our yellow. I'm going to do a big section down here in yellow, just enough, and then we'll move to our hot pink, and we'll do a big section in the hot pink. Alright, oh yeah, look, that's polyester. You can even see the dye isn't uptaken. See that? And then we're going to go to our dragon fruit. Yep, this is probably every bit going to rinse out. But now we know. Now we know. And then I'm going to finish off the entire thing, the top, and then do a squiggle down to the yellow, because the purple and the yellow don't play well. They love each other, but they don't play well. So I'm going to do this purple up top, and then a squiggle like this. Yes, if this was cotton, this would be gorgeous. And then we're going to do the same. I'm just going to pick it up a little bit, right? Because it didn't quite go all the way through. And then we're going to hit that with that power berry and do a squiggle down too. There we go. Oh, I want this to work, and it's not gonna. I can already tell. It's not gonna. And that's alright, because now we know. Alright, see you in 24 hours. So here it is. This design, I'm going to revisit this on cotton. I love this. This is this triangle here in the middle, or pyramid with these hot colors. It's like a power symbol to me, or superhero. I like this. I like this. I'm gonna do this on. I'm glad I recorded it so I can remember how I did it. So here's the polyester blend, the poly cotton blend, and here's the cotton up here. And it's, let's get up close and personal. Let me show you. Let me show you. So here's your cotton, right? Here's your cotton panel, and here's where your power berry and your hot pink and your dragon fruit all just took hold of that cotton fiber, right? And then you have this, and what this is this is your poly cotton blend. So the natural fiber Procyon dyes only dyed the cotton, not the poly, not the polyester. And that's why it has kind of like that muted, almost heathered look, because you can see like there's dye on some and there's dye, you know, the dye didn't take to others. So what does that mean? Will a natural fiber Procyon dye work on a 100% polyester? No. It's not going to uptake that dye at all. You've got to have a little bit of cotton in there for the natural fiber Procyon dye to take. And that's what gives you this muted color, muted design. The more polyester in the blend, the more muted your colors are going to be. So did it work? Okay, judges are out on this 50-50. To me, I would say no, it did not work, because I'm a natural fiber tie-dye artist, right? That's where I shine, with these hot colors and these fun designs. Can you make art with a 50-50 poly blend? Of course you can, because art's subjective. So this might be, you might like this muted, you might not be, you know, one that is, woo, up in your face with your color. This might be just enough color for you. And so now you found your niche in the tie-dye market, going, oh my gosh, if I do 50-50 cotton polyester, it's more muted and it's more in my comfort level. You see where we're going with this? Because it's subjective. So I say no, it doesn't work. Even though the cotton fibers did dye, the poly fibers did not, because it's not this. Technically, yes, it worked. So what do you think? Leave a comment below and tell me what you think. Would you dye with 50-50 cotton poly? Would you do that? And is that in your niche of where your art lives, is here? Or are you a brighter, bolder color person like me? Because that's what makes the world go round, right? All of us meshing together with all of our differences. And if you like these kind of videos, please like and subscribe. I'll make sure I put this in a playlist so it's easier for you to find. My channel's loaded with content, but my primary focus is tie-dye, jewelry making, and crocheting right now. I'll have it on a playlist. You can scoot around in there and see what you find. And remember, be peaceful, be kind, it's important. Hey, try something new. Tell me about it. Tell me what you did. I want to know. I'll talk to you soon.